Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the Pony hand clamps. Pony hand clamps feature the ultimate in clamping convenience and will take your projects to the next level. These clamps feature a box joint design which prevents twisting and keeps the jaws square and straight. Pony offers a variety of sizes of hand clamps ranging from 1.5 inch to 4-inch jaw openings. Pony's patented adjustment mechanism allows you to adjust clamping pressure without any additional tools. Squeeze the handles to apply pressure, press the lever to release the clamp. Pony hand clamps provide strong clamping force. The clamp has soft pivoting jaw pads to protect your workpiece, ergonomic handles, and the jaws have a deep reach. Pony hand clamps are capable of safely holding together wood, metal, plastic, fabric, and more. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For more information, visit ponyjorgensen.com.